I believe you dropped this. Nope. All yours. A sea bream, busy tending his patch. He's maintaining a well-polished rock, free from weeds and sand, designed to attract a female to lay her eggs. It's all about keeping up appearances and removing anything that might make it messy. Seaweed. Hermit crab. Move along, shark. This starfish has got to go. Over the neighbor's fence. Wasn't me. I believe you dropped this. Nope. All yours. Time to ditch the starfish and get back to work. And with egg-laden females passing overhead, he draws attention to his plot. And with a little encouragement, she lays her eggs. Now his sole focus is to guard them until they hatch, attracting a swarm of hungry brittle stars. No one fish can defend his patch against an army. It's time for neighbors to put aside their differences. They'll need to work together to save their eggs. This busy little bream's work is almost done. Because just 2 weeks later, the day has finally come for his babies to hatch.